Seriously? My hand's still getting wet. That's it. Still getting wet.
What is your thought on this, Ahmad?
This is, I don't know, no comment.
I'm an odd person.
No comment. Yeah, well, yeah, you're not.
Well, we just finished the practical. We think we did pretty awful. Yeah. Yeah, I opened an umbrella over Areeba because she likes the rain so much. She had to put her hand out. That was soaking wet hand. I don't know. I think I got maybe 70. I hope.
I know I didn't get a D.
You didn't get it, do you?
Yep.
Areeba reaching further?
Areeba falling.
Never!
Areeba on the ground.
You are mean.
Is that 52 action? Well, Ahmad and I have to do this quiz, but that's not due till like 7:30.
Wait, what are you guys on? Because I could help you.
What are we on?
We're on Sigma notation.
Yeah.
Oh,
Not even that hard.
yeah, it's not that hard.
Just take one.
You know, Pencil skipped over that.
So only counting on you.
So I might have to be counting on you.
It wasn't that hard, really, actually.
Okay.
Who skipped on what?
You gotta look at the notes.
Do you guys have different teachers?
Yeah.
Huh? Yes?
And
I'm talking about my past AP teacher.
Oh, okay.
Well, anyway, back to what I was saying. We haven't eaten yet. We have to find something to eat. Are you guys hungry?
Oh, crap. What if they tested me?
Are you hungry?
I think I had
Are you hungry, Ahmad?
yeah.
You're hungry after the practical? You know the practical is only like 1 hour?
Yeah, I realize that.
Almost done.
Oh, sorry. I still have the umbrella in my hand. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video.
He's already ended that.
That was a funny face.
He's like, the video
You make a funny face.